Welcome back, everybody. This is Sushi and Popcorn. Thank you guys for coming in to check out our channel. As you may know, or some of you may not know, Keith is usually my co-host, but unfortunately he has COVID, so he won't be joining me tonight. Get better soon, because I really need you. I feel lost without you, yo. So a couple people have reached out to us and asked us to react to NewJeans. So I'm going to check out their video, OMG. It looks like it's a performance version, so I've never seen this video. In fact, I've probably only seen, or rather heard, one song from them, so I'm a little, you know how I am about girl groups, so come on, y'all, give me a break. But I'm gonna check them out and see what they do. All right, here we go.
이 노래는 it's about you, baby. Only you. You. 내가 힘들 때, 울 것 같을 때, 기운도 이제 나지 않을 때. It's you. 날 걱정하니, it's you. 날 웃게 하니, 말은 해도 돼. But what do you say? 멀리든 언제든지 달려와. 바쁜 척도 없이 난 나타나. 이게 말이 되니 난 물어봐. 너는 말야, it's only living in my system, baby. Oh my God, yes and that. I was really hoping that it will come through. Oh my God, 단 너뿐이야. Asking all the time about what I should do. No, I can never let him go. 너만 생각나 24. 넌 행운아야 정말로. I know. 널 알기 전까지는 나 의미 없었어. 전부 다 내 맘이 끝이 없는 걸. I know. I'm going crazy, right? 어디서든 몇 번이든 there ain't nothing else that I would hold on to. I'm his lies through all the nights. 잠시라도 내 손 놓지마. No. 걱정 없잖아, 'cause I got someone. 혼자라도 괜찮아, 'cause I love someone. Give me who is he? 멀리든 언제든지 달려와. 바쁜 척도 없이 넌 나타나. 이게 말이 되니 난 물어봐. 너는 말이야, he's the one that's living in my system, baby. Oh my God, yes and that. I was really hoping that he will come through. Oh my God, 단 너뿐이야. Asking all the time about what I should do. No, I can never let him go. 너만 생각나 24. 넌 행운아야 정말로. I know. 널 알기 전까지는 나 의미 없었어. 전부 다 내 맘이 끝이 없는 걸. I know. Just living in my system, baby. I'm going crazy, right, baby. I'm going crazy, right, baby. My heart is going now. 너랑만 있으면 무서울 게 없어. 같은 매워진 더 매워짐. My heart is glowing, it be glowing. Oh my God, yes and that. I was really hoping that he will come through. Oh my God, 단 너뿐이야. Asking all the time about what I should do. No, I can never let him go. He's right there for me 24. 난 행운아야 정말로. I know. 널 알기 전까지는 나 의미 없었어. 전부 다 어떡해. My heart is glowing, my heart is glowing up so I can't sleep at night.
Okay, NewJeans. I actually really like them, believe it or not. Okay, so had to get that under control. I actually really like this song. That was actually really cute. I can see what the hype is about them. I've seen, like I said, I've heard one song from them. I heard Nicholas and them playing it. And then I hear people talking about them, and I'm like, okay, It's another girl group, but this group sort of has an old school vibe to them. Maybe like a little bit of a TLC going on with them. But I actually really like the song. I got to hear more from them. So recommend some songs to me, you guys. Let me know what you think. Hold on, I'm trying to think of... I can't remember the name of the other song that somebody requested, and I don't think I wrote it down. But send me some, recommendations from the group, so that way I know to listen to them. Again, that was my take on it. I like the song. I like the group. And it's a girl group, believe it or not, so I'm okay with that. But you know what I mean? They were really cute. I love their hats and their outfits. They look like they're having fun. And they weren't trying to be cutesy to me. For some reason. I don't know. Maybe it's because they're a little bit younger. I could be wrong. Maybe they're older, but they look like they're in their teens. So let me know. Thank you guys again for tuning in for Sushi and Popcorn. Remember to hit the like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification button at the top, so that way you know the next time we drop a video. Until next time, you guys, please, please, please be safe out there. Talk to you soon. Bye.